What's happening, boat gang? Welcome back. Glad to be here. Reading. Oh yeah, trying to get out here in between rainstorms. It's trying to piss on me right now. Redid the stuffing tube. Congratulations, Wild Willie, on that 120. That's getting it. Damn, what is that? A fucking otter? I think that's an otter. It is. I see. I doubt y'all can see it, but there's an otter. Is that an otter? What in the fuck is that? Bro. What the fuck is that thing? I think it's two otters. See if we can spook them away. Yeah, we got about a 5-mile-an-hour wind. Whew. Water level's back up, guys. Oh, I was right on track. Put the sticks in the otters. I didn't like that line. Well, now that we really chopped up the water, we'll let that sit for a second. Got my strut tune at 19mm depth, dead nuts neutral, running 1919 ABC roundear, the Super Geico prop. Where'd them damn things go? I must have spooked them off. Alright, we about to hit it as soon as I get straightened back up. Well, that wasn't it, was it? That was a full trigger hit. I held full trigger for about 2 seconds. She was looking good. Damn. And I just lost sight of it. Son of a bitch. I don't want to turn the camera off because I feel like that was pretty quick. I feel like that beat my 102. So I'm sorry, y'all, that y'all got to take a walk with me. We might see an otter or two down here. Stick with me. Sorry, fellas, I don't run much anymore at 46 years old. Maybe 26, I'd have ran right on down here. I didn't hit the bank or nothing. I did not hit the bank. I stayed off the bank. It's just cutting left to avoid the bank. I finally, it stayed off, but it just went out of my sight. Y'all remember this spot? Yeah, it's about how long it takes to walk down here then. So y'all got some reference. All right, boat, where you at? There you are. I see you, baby. Let's try and ease it right here, see if we can get some satellites. Oh, we blew a cooling line, that's for sure. I see it from here. It's not gonna pick it up this far away. Damn it. Well, y'all stick with me a little longer. I know. I might put a little haste in my walk this go around. Y'all probably see the camera bouncing now. Yeah, that might have been a little better than 102. I hope it was a little hotter than 102. Nah, it wasn't no 120, but if I could see 110, boy, y'all hear me scream out in this motherfucker. Had this boat for 3 years. Just now getting to 100. She looked good just sitting out there with a blown cooling line. Pow! Yeah, I know. Freaking long video full of walking. I apologize. Yeah. Oh, oh, damn. Yep, we sliced that cooling line. Yep, sliced the cooling line in the propeller one of those freaking times it submarined. Yep, one of them times it submarined. So look at that. Whoa. Yep, one of them times at submarine, sliced right through it. Oh. Movement. Stop, read. 106. No scream because it wasn't 110, but damn, hell yeah, 106. 106. Yeah, baby. Well, I guess we got to call it on that because there ain't no replacing that out here. But hell yeah, 106. Woo! I doubt y'all can tell it in my voice, but I'm happy as shit. 106. Well, she looked good. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I did add some canard up here, or some arrow up on my canard. Yeah, that's about it. But all right, y'all, I'll let y'all go. I know this was a long one already because of the walking back and forth, but y'all got some reference of how long the stretch is. It's really not that far. So yeah. All right. Damn, I can't believe that. Zip ties next time. All right, appreciate y'all checking it out. 106. Woo, happy as frick. Get out of here. All right, till next time. RC anything RC, boat gang for life, babies. Peace out.